Hello, this is Manish Behl. Do you know the world is dealing with an invisible pandemic apart from coronavirus? It is called mental health. We all know COVID-19 has had a major effect on our lives and caused great loss and disruption. Just yesterday, I was speaking to a client. He was very disturbed. He spoke of his challenges over the last year since coronavirus has wreaked havoc in their lives, both personal and professional. Most of us are facing situations that are stressful, overwhelming, and are causing strong emotions in adults and children. Public health actions like social distancing and quarantine are necessary to reduce the spread of COVID-19. But they can make us feel isolated and lonely. That can increase stress and anxiety. According to a recent survey, 61% of Indians are facing mental health issues during the lockdown. Another survey by Indian Psychiatric Society suggests 20% rise in cases related to mental illness. Anxiety and uncertainty are the major cause for this sudden jump in cases related to mental health. Job cuts, financial stress, and feeling isolated are main factors that have led to this unexpected rise. Learning to manage stress in a healthy way will make you happier, resilient, and increase your relationship with people you care and those around you. There are tools to help improve our psychological well-being, from maintaining routine to stopping negative self-talk. Here are some ways in which you can cope with this mental health pandemic. 1. Focus on things you can control. Humans thrive when they have certainty in their lives. It is a way to stay safe. It is scary and exhausting to feel out of control. Sadness, hopelessness, fear, those emotions will wear you down. Emotional stress is a big piece of mental well-being. Emotional stress has a lot to do with grief, loss, anxiety, and fear. Emotions many of us are experiencing during this pandemic. Adjust your inner dialogue with positive self-talk. Your inner dialogue represents a big part of your emotional stress. Introduce yourself to mindfulness to be able to embrace your feeling in the moment. Eventually, you will be able to settle into positive self-talk. Connect. Loneliness and isolation have become topic of concern during the pandemic. If you find yourself feeling lonely or isolated from friends or family, it is time to take action. Thankfully, there are many ways to connect. Use live chats while watching a TV show, play online games, or have FaceTime call with family and friends. Do not feel pressurized to do things that you do not enjoy doing. Realize taking care of your mental health is more important than anything else. So try to focus on positive side of things and understand the importance of mental health. Also, stay safe and stay positive. See you soon.